right, starting out with these adorable black sandals. I am obsessed with these. These are classy and timeless. They will go with everything. And they're kind of designer inspired, if you can see and you know what I'm talking about. They are just so cute and cool and so inexpensive too. I mean, it's seriously crazy. They're super bendy, super walkable. And then we've got these right over here that same thing. They're thin in a good way, like in a protected, they're still really protective for your feet, but they're just thin enough to where they're very comfortable. You're gonna wanna wear them all day long. And these are just so sweet with this little detail right here that's also designer inspired. I just love these so much. It's kind of got this fun little kind of snake skin look to them up close. Just a really beautiful sandal. Now moving on to some more like tan ones. Ooh, speaking of snake skin, these are to die for. I love this little strap too. It's kind of like a blushy color. Again, a very thin yet protective sandal. It's just got the tiniest little heel, super bendy, so comfortable, and I just love like the look of just the big like straps. I think it's so cute. And then we also have these that kind of have that like nautical look to them. I'm loving the navy and cream stripe. You can never go wrong with that. These are gonna go with everything, shorts, jeans, dresses, whatever. You're gonna be wearing these all season long. Then if you're not really into like the flat sandal, if you want a little more height, if you're on the shorter side, whatever, don't worry, we've got you covered with these super cute like espadrille sandals with the cork on the top and the double strap with this fun little buckle detail. These are so cute and comfortable as well. Very, very walkable and again, super inexpensive. So ladies, if you guys have been looking for that perfect sandal to go with everything in your spring and summer wardrobe, look no further because we have them all. We got all the colors, all the patterns and designs, and you're gonna want them all in your wardrobe. Okay guys, the link for all of these sandals is in the description, so go ahead and click that link and it's gonna take you to all these shoes that I just showed. You're gonna wanna shop and just go look at our whole website while you're there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the things, and stay tuned for our next video.